Alright guys, in today's video we'll be creating a welcome video, a welcome design for all our students. So I'll be creating a welcome design for everyone. Alright. So now I'll go ahead and get a picture. So the picture will really say a lot to me. So whatever information I want to pass will come through the picture. I want to use the picture to pass whatever information I feel like to pass. Okay. So I'll use this image. Okay, so this is the image I'll be using. So but before then, let me draw a circle. I'll draw a circle shape to this size, bring it somewhere around here. Alright. So when I draw the circle, I'll give it a color. I'll go to color and give it a color. Give it this particular color. This is the color I'll be giving it. So I'll take it to back. Then bring this up around here. Then increase the size of this. Okay, so now the information I really want. Okay, I can equally bring this up to this other part. Drag it. I'll drag from this shape. From here. I will just drag from there. Okay. So when I get whatever thing I want to use. So this is actually one I want to get. So when I get it, I cannot bring up this. Okay, so now let me increase the image a bit. So I'll go ahead and bring in a text. Click on text, bring in a text. So when I bring the text, I'll go to edit and edit it. Thank you all. Capital letter. Okay, so I'll go to fonts. I'll just select a font there. I'll select any fonts. Thank you all. Go to color and give it bold. Okay, thank you all is okay. So I'll copy it. So if I copy it, I'll bring it somewhere around there. I really appreciate your time, efforts, and wonderful attempts of being part of this mind-blowing training from Bright School Academy, from Bright Link Academy. Okay, so that's what I actually want to write there. So I'll go to size and reduce the size of the font. I'll just reduce the size of the font somewhere around 20. Okay, so go to font and change the font, maybe to Arial. Okay, maybe I can give it a Caviar Dreams. Okay, all right. So I will make this center alignment. I will center align this. Go to align, click on the centered one. Can reduce the size a bit. Okay, So now I'll go to color and give it black color. Black color. That's also for the thank you. For the thank you all for the thank you I'll go to color. So use the same color I used on the background. Alright. So that's for that. Alright guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and efforts on this video. So this is an introduction video and also a welcome video into the channel, into the class, into the forum. Alright guys, do stay tuned. This is an introduction into the app. So in our next video we'll be making some awesome designs. So do stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts. Alright. So whatever question you have, leave it at the comment section. I will be ready to answer it, and I won't hesitate to answer whatever question you have. So alright guys, stay tuned.